Hi everyone, I'm Emma from Planything, and in this video I'm going to do a plan with me video with the Floral beach box. This box is available in July 2020. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Hi everyone, welcome at the plan with me video of the Floral beach box. Today I'm going to create a weekly layout in my happy planner with the stickers of this box, and I'm really excited to start playing with it. It's still a dream coming true to play in your planner with your own brand. It's really a dream coming true, and I really love this item from this Floral beach box. It's really I really love it. But for now, I'm not going to use this one. I'm just going to use the stickers in my planner. Okay, let's start. I'm not going to use any paper, but this is definitely my favorite one. I'm still going to think about what I'm going to do with it, because it needs something like a holiday, maybe something with memory keeping. But I'm not going on a vacation this year, so maybe I will going to use it next year. Let's see if I'm going to use any more. Maybe I need a little bit of pink in here because it's otherwise very blue. I really like how it's coming all together. I really love the beach and the sea. I think I'm done. I'm really happy how it turned out. And as you can see, I still have tons of stickers left for maybe 1 or 2 other spreads. And of course a lot of paper where you can do also a lot with. This box is really one of my favorites, even though I didn't create it that much yet, but I really love this box. Yeah, I really hope you like this Plan With Me video. I decided to use a little bit more of the C stickers because on the Planything Instagram you see a lot of planner babes using the floral stickers, so I thought why not using a little bit more of the sea and water stickers, and I really love how it turned out coming together. This box is available to order until July 24. You can subscribe, but this box is also available as single box, and August 1 the new box is coming out, and I'm so excited to show you that box. It's really beautiful. The first sneak peek is also on the Planything Instagram, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!